Welcome back to our channel. Tonight we are going to make pork supreme in the crock pot. So you put your pork roast in, and we're going to use some button mushrooms, tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, fresh corn, black beans, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of lime juice, and salt, pepper, and zesty Italian. I don't have a lot of zesty Italian. You can substitute another thing, so we're going to use some strawberry balsamic vinaigrette. So let's get started. So dump your whole can of tomato sauce right on top of your pork roast. We're going to add the whole can of diced tomatoes, juice and all, right on top. We're going to drain our beans and corn and our mushroom, and then we're going to put that in there with no juice. So we have our black beans added, and we're going to add our can of corn. And we're going to drain our mushrooms and add them on top. Alright, so they're drained. We're just going to plop them mushrooms right on in there. We're going to add our salt. We're going to add our pepper. I just really love these things. They work really great. They do take 6 AA batteries each, though. That's a little bit ridiculous, but they work great. We're going to put about 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and that's probably about what I have left. So we're going to throw that on top. Alright, we're going to just add a little bit of this lime juice. That's just going to tenderize it, give it some natural tenderization. So you're not going to do a whole lot, just a little bit. The tomato sauce does the same as well. And then we're going to add our zesty Italian. And we're going to come in with some spices. We'll let this drain to the bottom a little bit, and we'll pour the rest in, which we're going to go with garlic. Always garlic. Put a healthy serving of garlic, and a healthy serving of the onion. Now you can add onion to this, but we don't like onion, but we like the onion powder taste. Like the onion taste without the chunks of onion. And I'm just going to add some minced onion. Let's see what else I got left in here. We're going to add a pack of this Lipton onion soup. That's a real good flavor to add. And we're just going to come in with a little bit of this strawberry balsamic vinaigrette in replacement of the zesty Italian. Now you're just going to let this cook and simmer on high for about 5 to 6 hours. Once it's done, you're going to serve this over some rice. This is going to be delicious. Grab yourself a bowl of rice and quinoa. Oh, this smells so good. Look at that. Nice fresh piece of bread. And you got your pork supreme with your rice down there. Yum.